Hey friends, welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Today's episode is all about pronunciation. Many English learners say some English sounds in the wrong way. This can make it hard for other people to understand you. But don't worry, I will help you today. In this episode, you will learn how to say difficult sounds the right way. We will practice words that learners often say wrong. You will repeat lots of words after me for good practice. And finally, you will take a short quiz at the end of the episode. This quiz is based on your suggestions in the comment section. As always, in this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use easy words so you can understand me. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with two sounds that many learners mix up. These are very small sounds, but they change the meaning of a word, like ship and sheep. You see, the difference is really important. The first one is a short E, like in the word bit or ship. The second one is a long E, like in the word beat or sheep. Now, let's learn how to say both sounds clearly. Let's start with short E. This sound is quick and soft. Your mouth is relaxed. Say it gently and don't hold it too long. Let's say it together, slowly. Bit, sit, ship, milk, win. Perfect. Let's do a few more. Fill, kick, pick, fish, live. Good. Now say each word with me again. One more time. Bit, sit, ship, milk, live. Great. Now let's try some short sentences. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I sit on the chair. Good. She saw a big ship. I want to live here. I will pick one card. I drink milk every day. Well done. Now, let's try the second sound, the long E. This sound is longer. You should smile a little when you say it. Hold the sound, okay? Stretch it a bit. Now, let's say it together. Again, slowly. Beat, seat, sheep, leave, need. 5 more words. Feel, feel, green, eat. Now, some simple sentences. Repeat after me. I will sit in the front seat. That white animal is a sheep. Please don't leave. Let's eat together. Great. Now, let's put the two sounds next to each other. Listen carefully and try to feel the difference. Say it with me. Bit, beat. Sit, seat. Ship, sheep. Live, leave. Fill, feel. Great! That was excellent. Well done. Now, let's learn two more sounds that many learners say the same way, but they are different. The first sound is a short oo, like in the word pull. The second sound is a long oo, like in the word pool. Let's start with the short one. This sound is short and a little soft. Your lips are a little round. You say it quickly. Now, let's say some words with this sound. Pull, full, foot, good, could. More words. Push, put, should, book. Now, repeat after me again, slowly. Pull, full, book. Now, let's try a few short sentences. Repeat after me. Can you pull the door? My bag is full. I stood on his foot. That meal was good. I put the pen in the book. Now, let's try the long sound. The long ooh. This sound is longer and deeper. You round your lips more. You hold the sound. Let's say some words together. Pool, fool, boot. Now, 5 more. Moon, room, cool, spoon, two. Now, let's use them in simple sentences. I jumped into the pool. Don't be a fool. The food is hot. I need new boots. This room feels cool. Now, let's hear both sounds side by side. Listen carefully, feel the difference, and repeat after me. Pull, pool, full, fool, foot, food, book, boot. Well done! These sounds may look the same when you write them, but how you say them is different. And now you know the difference. All right, now let's talk about two more sounds that many learners mix up. They are ve, like in very, and we, like in west. These sounds are very different in English, but in some languages, they sound the same, or one sound doesn't exist. Let's learn how to say each one correctly. Let's start with the V sound, like in very. To make this sound, put your top teeth on your bottom lip. Blow out air and sound. You will feel your lip vibrate a little. Try saying v, very, v, voice. Now repeat these words after me. Village, van, love, 7. More words. Video, visit, voice, never, over. Now repeat after me slowly. Love, visit, voice. Okay, let's try some simple sentences. This is a very nice place. I love learning English. We will visit my uncle. I heard his voice. Okay, now the sound we, like in west. To make the sound, round your lips like a small O shape. Do not use your teeth. Use a soft sound from your mouth. Try saying west, west, water, water. Now repeat these words after me. West, window, what, well, wonderful, walk, word, week. Now let's try these short sentences. Open the window. What is your name? Let's go for a walk. I hope we will win. Okay, now let's have a short quiz. I will say a word or sentence. You will say out loud what you hear or choose between options. Then I will tell you the answer. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Bit. Is that a short sound or a long sound? Perfect. It's a short sound, like sit. Question 2. Pool. Is that a short sound or a long sound? Well done. It's a long sound, like fool or food. Now, tell me, which one is correct? Video or video? Great. The correct answer is video. Now, this word, is this long like sheep or short like ship? Well done. Long, just like sheep. Beat, feel. The word is leave. All right. Great work today. You listened, repeated, and learned how to fix your pronunciation. Now you know how to say some of the most common English sounds correctly. This is English Unleashed, and I'm Tom. Practice every day, speak slowly and clearly, and don't be afraid to repeat. Bye for now.